How to make your own solar recharger. There, video over. This is basically a solar recharger. You can use it for anything you want. It has a USB port on one side. This has a small solar panel I salvaged off something else that is very durable. Actually, it's far more durable than my other solar panels. And this one generates 6 volts of power. And this is also a solar panel that I built for basically the same task. And they ran into a problem. These solar panels, I got those in high school. They're probably over 30 years old. I feel old now. And this little chip, little circuit board in here would process the power, convert it around into a format that will work for any USB application. The problem was these, being so old, were quite fragile. I thought putting them in the board here would help. And really nice way folded up, all slick and cool. But they were very fragile. So fragile, you just tap them, you could see parts of them break off of the panels themselves. So I thought, well, we'll try to immobilize them. And I got this all made, and it worked for a little bit, and then it stopped working. And, well, the joys of old stuff. The problem is a lot of electronics get brittle with time, and they stop working. So I was running around and I found I still had this solar panel and did some checking, and it works just fine. The way this circuit is, and it was originally designed for, I forget the exact verbiage, but it was like a solar recharging circuit. And it came in a little panel box, which was really convenient. Most of the time you just have a little circuit board there and just try to figure out how you can mount it or wrap it up in something. The wrapping here is not waterproof. The plastic package here, and it wouldn't be because it have a USB port. It's not even water resistant. But there's something they failed to do with that. They didn't put any kind of mounting brackets or anything. It's just this. The other error they made is how are you getting the power in and out? Because I literally had to put these little notches in here. It was nice in one way, but not so nice in another. The little screw holes in the bottom, I had to drill one of them out to get the zip tie through there. But the advantage to this small one is it's far more durable. It is really rugged. And the circuit, as long as it gets a minimum of 5 volts and a maximum of 20, so no more than 20 volts, it can take that and convert it into usable circuits to recharge whatever you want. The downside is this small one only generates 6 volts. This big one actually had 9. So if the sun was not as intense, maybe a little bit of shadow over the solar panels, or the sun may not be as intense due to some like cloud cover or something, the 9 volt solar panel would get enough voltage, enough light hitting it to at least get that 5 volt. So you would still get some use out of it. So if you have a larger panel, if you could find one that actually, if you were to find these, and get a solar panel that took 9 volts or provided up to 20 volts, you could wire that in and be just fine. But I've not shopped around for more of these. I should have gotten more. Usually when I find these and I buy them, I buy them in groups of 5 because you might have one go bad, error or some problem while you're putting it together. A dog might eat one for some reason. Unfortunately, this one I only bought 2 of, and I'm kind of wishing I had more, because I've got another project still being edited, if my editor ever finishes that. Get that going. Then we can show you that one. But yes, you can make your own solar recharger. All you have to do is get a circuit that will take that in, solder the leads on the positive and negative, buy a solar panel, and you could build your own solar recharger and impress your friends and family